number 17, what is the expression in factored form? Oops, we don't need a y squared here. It's just an expression. So we have x squared plus 10x plus 12. Okay. So I want to factor this. What makes it difficult to factor is that there's a 2 in the front. Gives us kind of more options when we're factoring and makes it more tricky. But you might, if you take a look at the whole expression, realize, well, yeah, there's a 2 here, but here I have a 10 and here I have a 12. So you can factor out the 2. 2 divided by 2 is just 1, so I have x squared. 10x divided by 2 leaves me with 5x, and 12 divided by 2 is 6. So I can factor out a 2 here, and then that would leave me with x squared plus 5x plus 6, which I can then continue to factor. X times x is x squared. And for the 6, you have 2 options. I can do 6 times 1 to get 6, or negative 6 times negative 1. So really there's 4 options, or you could do 3 times 2 is 6, or negative 3 times negative 2. And again, the set that we want to pick are the ones that add up to a positive 5. So that's going to be positive 3 times a positive 2 is a positive 6, and 3 plus 2 is 5. Common mistake a lot of students make is they factor out the 2. So they say, okay, x squared plus 5x plus 6, but then this 2 kind of disappears. You have to leave it here. If you want to say that this is correct, you need to show that you factored out the 2 and it's remained on the outside. And then you want to always check your work. So if I want to check my work, I'm going to redistribute here. So x times x is x squared, x times 2 is 2x, 3 times x is 3x, and 3 times 2 is 6. So that gives me x squared plus 5x plus 6, okay, which is not what you started with, right? Because I still have this 2 here. So you have to distribute this 2 back in, and that will be 2x squared plus 10x plus 12. So this is the correct factored form, 2 times x plus 3 times x plus 2. If you drop that 2, we don't see that written down, then you've changed the value of this expression. It's not correct anymore. So make sure you hang on to that 2.